Welcome back to Learning with the Difference. Today's news headlines for school morning assembly. Coronavirus updates: 30,650 new COVID 19 cases in India, positivity rate at 2.45%. 3.5 magnitude earthquake hits Jammu Kashmir's Katra on Thursday morning. Ratan Tata honored with Assam's highest civilian award. Gujarat man seeks readmission in MBBS course 30 years after dropping out. IIT Madras starts Venkataraman and Sita Srinivasan Chair on Innovation. Maiden voyage of steel shipment from Bengal port to northeast flagged off. And now some international news. Ukraine invasion threat real. US sees no meaningful pullback by Russia. US Secretary of State Blinken urged diplomacy to resolve the situation. Searches being made easier with Google Drive's new filters for all users. Control outbreak above everything else, China's Xi Jinping to Hong Kong. Defend values, Poland, Hungary's challenge to EU on funding rejected. Leave now or face arrest. Canada police to Freedom Convoy protesters. Anyone blocking streets will be arrested and face charges, the Ottawa police warns. And now some sports news. IPL 2022, Shreyas Iyer appointed captain of Kolkata Knight Riders. BCCI to allow 20,000 odd spectators at Eden Gardens for third T20 International versus West Indies. And these are today's news headlines. Thank you to all of you. Have a nice day.